Hello guys, are you looking for best Omega watches? Here we found Omega Speed Master Caliber 321 Chronograph 39.7 watch. Main features are chronograph, tachymeter watch, small seconds and transparent case back. Distance between lugs is 19 lug to lug distance 48.0 thickness is 13.7 case diameter is 39.7 case material is steel, water resistance approximate 5 bar 50 meters or 167 feet, atom weight is 128 gram, dial color is black. Crystal scratch resistance fire crystal with anti-reflective treatment inside. Material steel, type of clasp fold over clasp. Caliber Omega 321, famous manual winding chronograph movement with column wheel mechanism, bracket balance spring and 18 case Sedna TM gold PVD coated finish. Caliber that was worn on the moon. Power reserve is approximate 55 hours. Scratch resistance fire crystal with anti-reflective treatment inside.